Hello, welcome to my channel. Let me plug in my thing here. Okay. We'll start at Target yesterday. I got two Our Generation dolls. Here's one of the sockets. The bag. This is Veronika. I think it's how you say her name. And says colorful style for playful days. Includes one doll, one dress, one pair of undies, one pair of shoes, and a pair of sunglasses. There's she, and she got, I love the color, her blue hair. It is October, or yesterday was October 7th. These have just come out. They're on the website, so these are the dolls for the holiday season. Like I say, the last time I got a new Our Generation doll was beginning of the year. So they're just go on the website and they're just a bunch of new dolls, new face models. I'll show you here just a second. The other one I shut open yesterday. This is just a hair care instruction, okay? New doll and okay. They have these plastic things. You just gotta see if not. There we go. Sometimes these. May have to get the other scissors. See if it'll. And figure out that. Let me get the other scissors. Go ahead and find these are. So of course she comes in these pigtails like they normally do. I'm not sure. May just leave them and kind of like the pigtails. So let's take the little plastic things off her shoes. Okay, now I got all the stuff. Okay, let's just get a look at it. I'll start with her hair, which is, wow, I really like this. So it's mostly blue with some purple, violet, whatever. Oh, really pretty. And it's fairly long, not super long, but it's curly at the end. Really soft. Pretty thick. You know, it's nicely rooted. Their hair is and their hair is soft. So that's a blue and purple hair. Okay, I think the eyes are kind of hazel. Or green blue, hazel, I'm not sure. Really pretty. And she's got little, that was a mauve, peachy pink lip. And she has a nice skin tone. And she's got little purple or pinky purple glasses that are heart shaped. And she's got this little purpley but very light little dress, and it's got some fur around the bottom, and her little purple heart shoes. How they look on the bottom, and how she looks at it from the back. Really cute. Yeah, it's like not a linen, but it's not cotton, but not satiny. The top part of a dress, and it plaits down to the whole fur. There's a little undies. I'm gonna try to get these sunglasses on. Trying to cutting her hair. There we go. Like that. I think I got it. Oh, it's touched up here too. Mm. Yeah, there we go. Got these sunglasses going on, trying to do that cutting my hair. Now, take all this off of it. Oh, well, there we go. So, it's trying to keep. Yeah, I've already pulled her pigtail. Yeah, it's gonna be some loose hair. Okay, let's see if I can get her pigtail back the way I want it. Well, that hair is nice. And just one more little. There we go. That looks better. There we go. Not sure they're gonna stay on now. And they don't sit on our faggots. Well, we'll just. Anyway, get that look at her foot. Here are the little glasses, and they just. You may have to get some sort of rubber band or something. There we go. They kind of sit on her face. There we go. She's got. There she is. There's Veronika. Yeah, move off. Anyway. And there's the back. You can see. Very cute. I love that face. Very pretty. And I already unboxed the other one. Let me get her glasses. This is the new, this is her box. And there's her name, Myrna. There's the sides. And there's the back. Read what it says. Let's have a day filled with fun. Includes one doll, one head H-I-J-A-B. Hijab. That's the little head scarf. Head wrap. One top, one pair of pants, one pair of undies, and a pair of shoes. So, this is to what a Muslim would wear. This is a kind of what you get. So, a Muslim inspired doll, religion doll. And she is so cute. I saw this one first when I picked that. So, start with her hair is very long and it is curly and it's dark brown, not quite black, and she's got gorgeous brown eyes and again a mauve lip, very kind of neutral lip, and she's got a coral colored head wrap. I'm not saying that hijab. I'm not saying, forgive me, I'm not saying that properly. And here's her little, I love this top. White with the gray little polka dots, and it ties here in front, and it's got elastic here. The sleeve with that, and she's got her, looks like little jeans, pants, and some brown, like little loafers, brown shoes, little slip-on shoes. How she looks from the back. Everything velcros. The little jeans, they're elastic, so they just pull down. How she looks from the back. Very cute. Very cute, all of them. I love these dolls. So cute. Very pretty. My two new girls, little friends. That is everything I got at Target yesterday. These are just now hitting the stores. You can get them online. And this is the Our Generation. And this is, don't know if this is the new face mold that they have on her and another African American doll. But the other one got this face mold. Forget what her started to be. It's up to you. Just is that same face mold where there's two dimples, and they did a really good with the dimples. It can kind of look, the grin's too wide or anything, look kind of odd, but that looks really well done. So this is their, sculpt I've been using for a bit. And they do have the two Asian face mold has come back. So they brought it back. So you can find some dolls with that one that are really cute. Well, anyway, these are $25 each. Some come with the pets, which are, a little more. But anyway, these are my two new girls from Our Generation. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.